Do you remember this intro sound of a DJ after installation?
Winamp. It really whips the llama's ass.
It's one of the famous music player called Winamp. Winamp started in 1997 as a free and simple MP3 player developed by Justin Frankel and Dmitry Boldarev while they were students at the University of Utah. The first version was released on April 21st, 1997. Due to its simplicity, ability to play MP3s, and customizable skins, in 1999, Winamp was acquired by America Online. Winamp became a popular media player in the late 1990s and early 2000s, especially among Windows users. In 2014, Winamp was revived by Radionomy, now part of the streaming service SiriusXM. Winamp continued to evolve even after being acquired by AOL in 1999. Some key events in Winamp's history include added features like online streaming, plugin support, and skins for customizing the player's appearance. One of the most notable versions, released in 2002, combined features from Winamp 2 and Winamp 3. With the rise of new media players like iTunes and streaming services, Winamp's usage declined. But even though Winamp continued to evolve and remains one of the best music players,